In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Optavia promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Optavia promo codes. Right here, select this very first website, which is retailmino.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with promo codes and deals that we can use. So, for example, if I want to get this one with $25 off discount, all I have to do is select your code right here, and this is the discount code. I can copy this one right here and I can apply it on my next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this one, which is couponboards.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with other promo codes. For example, if I want to get this one with 15% off discount, all I have to do is select get code right here. This is the discount code. I can tap right here to copy it and I can apply it on my next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.